2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So I just got back a couple days ago from Colorado. Did a little sightseeing up at the Garden of the Gods. Went up to Breckenridge, had dinner, came back. And then on last Sunday, went to an event and watched midget wrestling.
Justin, at least make like a hit. Justin. Oh, right into a Charlie coming up again. Champion who will be your champion tonight here at the 420 Fest. Oh, Stevie Pinky, the Stinky Pinky.
So if you guys don't hit the subscribe button, I'm going to send Midgets with Attitudes wrestling team after you. If I can only hit a gear. I love how I do that sometimes. I was riding my sport bike yesterday and apparently I'm forgetting how to shift on the Indian. Hi, Prius. So after being gone for 2 weeks, not even riding the Indian for 2 weeks, came back, and yesterday I took the Aprilia RSV out for a spin since I haven't ridden it for about a month, and actually haven't ridden it that much since I've got the Indian. Took a little bit of getting used to. It's quite a bit different of a bike, and we headed up into the mountains and ran into about a pack of about 50 Harleys out for a ride for a little bit. And once they turned off, me and my friends decided to have a little fun. Look at all the hogs. I'm not sure how we're going to pass all those guys.